Starting to sprinkle, so hopefully it doesn't start pouring on me. Now we got something to build on. That's the end of day one. Oh yeah. Where are you putting it? Just like out here. They don't build palms like they used to. This will be pretty cool, guys. All right, got a couple windows here, and we got a couple boards, so let's do this thing. Not that far. It's looking pretty cool. So I started putting on some plywood while I was charging you guys up. Alright guys, made it to day 7. Had a couple days where I had to work a lot, so haven't made it past getting the sheeting on. Looks really cool though. Vent in. Now it's time to throw in some windows. So we made it to the 9th day. Today I am hopefully going to be finishing up the sheeting and getting it to where I can start putting on the siding and the roofing. 1, 2, 3, 4. Gonna be fixing a little bit today, and then hopefully getting the roof done. Probably gonna have to take off the siding and put some house wrap on. Sorry if this is in the way. Right now, I am working on taking off this siding and putting some wrap underneath it. So, yay, I'll get it done and then I'll have peace of mind. So. I'm just on my way to my mom's house. Today is my little brother Ian's birthday. There you go.
Hey guys.
Whoa.
Yeah, it's my birthday.
Yo, Sib,
Oh, birthday party. Oh, yes. That's so pretty. Illinois, am I right?
No. Some tar on this thing, some rubber cement stuff actually. It looks like tar and smells like tar, so we'll call it tar. Sprinkly. Alright guys, so now I just gotta weatherproof this under here. Gotta caulk a couple things, and then the outside should mostly be done except for the roof. It's coming together. I'm covered in rubber, and so is my phone. So I think I'm gonna call it. See you on day 15. Today is day 15 of my DIY truck camper. Just need to get a couple things from Home Depot. Today I'm working on getting the roof all closed in. I just gotta throw this piece of roofing on it. Literally like 3 inches of ice. Watch out, tarp. Kinda want some overhang, so I'm gonna go 7. Ooh. I'll go 7 to 7.5. My stuff is so straight. Sweet. I just screwed a screw into my fingertip and then had to unscrew it. Ow, that hurt. All right, I just gotta get some stuff to make a door, so.
Slider?
No, it'll have hinges.
It'll look pretty good.
I'm actually making a truck camper. Yeah, a little different.
Good luck with your project.
Appreciate it. All right, big boy. Oh, yeah. So right now, I'm gonna start making a door. That's it. Give it a first open. Oh wow. Yeah, that's sick. Bro, I can fit my bike in there. Oh, easily. I'm just kidding. That's sick. It's coming along, guys.
That's dope.
Thanks, bro. Right now I'm just adding the vapor barrier. I found out last night that the roof is still leaking. I can't remember if I showed that or not, but it was leaking from that one part up there. I'm gonna try to put some of this stuff, if I can get it open, some of this patch and seal right here. So today is day 18, doing some staining today. I just weighed my truck. It was pretty straightforward. Right now I'm on my way back home to hopefully try to get my camper loaded up. This weather is looking bad, but we'll see how it goes. Man, I hope this works. We're getting there, bit by bit. Alright guys, I think it's ready. The only way to really find out is to do it. My axle hasn't snapped quite yet. Just give it a little time. Alright guys, I finally got it here and got it weighed. 6,580 minus 5,140. So today is day 21. Pretty crazy having it in the truck. I just wanted to get it weighed so I could know how much to add on the interior and yeah, not go too crazy with it now that I know. Let's do some flooring. Alright guys, building the frame for the countertop. It's about 10 degrees out today, so I got this heater. Hopefully that does some wonders. Yeah, feels so good. Just 12 minutes of this stirring and it'll be done. The countertop turned out pretty awesome, if I do say so myself. I don't know how well those are gonna stick. I guess we'll test them out. Oh, this is gonna be so cool. Hopefully these batteries don't die super quick. I like it. Where do I want this? Turn this off. Oh wow. That looks sick. That looks so cool. I am getting there. I think I decided I'm just gonna move my bed out here. I'm just gonna move into this thing. It looks cooler than my bedroom, so I got no reason not to. Alright guys, we'll see how it goes. Figured I'd test it out before I move in here full time. Yeah. This is the vibe tonight, guys. I think it's gonna be pretty chill. Peace it out. Please don't tip. Alright guys, I still need to put some storage up and like cabinets, a place to put my clothes and all my stuff. So yeah, here in about 2 months basically, I'm gonna be moving in here. So this is gonna be my home. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for my next adventure. See you next time.